Hello and welcome to another week, guys. I'm heading off to Chelsea to do a collection in Chelsea, taking it all the way over to Holland. So you might as well come with me on this journey. I will see if they allow me to film. This was the job that I took in last week. They may let me film. I'm not too sure, but we'll try and have a sneaky film. Right, so I'm sure you've seen this picture before, but guess what, you've seen it again. Yeah, well, we went to load yesterday, and we did load successfully at 9:30 last night, and then they said that they weren't going to do the customs paperwork, or they couldn't do the customs paperwork. So I've been waiting this morning. We are now, I've done an 11-hour break, we are now 10:10 in the morning, and we are still waiting for clearance to get a GMR so we can go into Sevington to get our T1 form done. I have no idea how long this will take. I've got a feeling this is going to be a long day, and we should be in Holland by now. So it's just one of them things, customs and all that. I don't think it's anyone's fault, it's just one of those things. So that is what it is, I'm afraid. So again, I'll take you with me and we can, oh, what's falling out? My pen. I'll take you with me and we can see how we do for our progression, if any at all. So, you know, what will be will be. I've just got a sneaky feeling I'm coming back, or I'm not taking it. I don't know, there's just going to be there's something in the air about this particular job, and I don't know what it is. So we will see. Anyway, come and take a ride with me. Apparently we're going over to Holland today, so let's go and find out. Morning everyone, still going to Holland. So we're on the morning of our deliveries. We do have to go to customs first in Hoofddorp, just outside the dam, and then we got to come sort of east for about an hour and do a couple of deliveries around there, and then come back to Hoofddorp to park up for a delivery the following day. So we're not quite there, we're nearly there. Keep just sticking with it. We are going to get there, we just don't know when. Customs has been the issue, but we're getting through that now. So we're at the last steps, the last stage of this. Get through customs this morning, or get to customs, get the paperwork all done and signed, and get the goods cleared, and then we're good. But apparently they're open till 9 time is 6:45 and we are only 40 minutes away, but I'd rather get there and wait for an hour rather than be an hour late. You all know that. So still, let's get on this journey together. Let's get to the customs, let's get it all done, and then let's get on our way to our first delivery. I have had contact with our contact point at delivery 1, and I said my ETA would be maybe around 11. He seems to think he wants it more 12, 1 o'clock now, due to the where we're going, how busy it's going to be. But you know, he has said to me also, if you just get there, we'll get you in when we can. So it's their goods. If they want it, they'll get me in as soon as. If they want me to wait for it, I can clearly wait. It's not a problem. Either way, we're going to be there making our delivery. So I'll keep you updated, and I will see you once we get to hopefully the first delivery, or maybe even the customs. If you have any issues, I'll let you know. It would appear not. That's it in there. Oh wow, that was a wait and a half. So we've been here since 7:30. It's now 1:30 to clear customs. Wowzers, that took its time, didn't it? Not the greatest start, but it is what it is. So onwards we go. We've got some work to do, so we're gonna get cracking on. Yeah, I'll see you at the delivery point. Over and out for now. Because of that there. Right guys, update, we've done delivery 1 in Holland. We're now doing the second one and we have a slight problem. Allow me to show you. So we are parked here along this main road. And we need to get in here, but we can't because that's there. So what do? We phoned the number and we're asking someone to come out to move the vehicle. So I'll update you how we get on. Here we go, trying to get it in. Stone gallery. That one there, left. A big one and a sofa. We're getting there slowly but surely, guys. Let's see how this goes. All good. Just got to watch the top as well. Very little. We've probably got half a foot, 6 inches. Be gentle. Soft. Right. Yeah, got it.
Ja, hou maar. Ja, nee, is goed. Ga maar even naar achteren. Ik wil niks meer. Ik wil niks meer. En nu...
Clear.
Zakken, zakken, zakken.
Job done. All done, over and out.
Zakken.
Alright guys, so we're on our second delivery and the customer has 100% give me permission to film. They were really happy with the fact I'm allowed to, I'm a YouTuber, so they said I can film, so here we go. So we are delivering to an art gallery in Holland and they've given me full access to film as much as I want. They've got nothing to hide. It's actually promotion for them, they said. And this is what we're doing. This is what it is. We're actually doing it for the Stone Gallery in Holland. They did say I could give them a big up, so there we go. Absolutely, I asked them if I could film some of the load coming off because there's no premises, there's nothing. They said, sure, go and film my premises, you know, help me out. So here we are. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. It's not every day I get the opportunity to film something because obviously people don't like it and I understand why. But yeah, I mean, this is just stunning. I mean, there's loads more upstairs. I shan't go into too much detail, give them some privacy. Yeah, it's fantastic. And this is pretty much what we have on the truck. Something similar, something very similar to this. So we have the baby version here. Wow, wow, wow. We are finally tipped. What a long arse job this has been, but we do not leave the job empty-handed. No, it's not a blankety blank checkbook and pen. We have been given a gift, 3 gifts to be precise. Not 1 gift, not 2, but 3 gifts. How fortunate am I to do that, to land that? So I may be in the wrong lane here. There's a very good chance I've just gotten in the wrong lane because these roundabouts are weird, man. Anyway, yeah, 3 gifts I've been given. And one of them is a pen. Yay, pen. One of them was a can of apple juice. I know, apple juice, eh? We are going up in the world. But the third and final one, stick around. At the end of the episode, the series. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane here. No, I'm not. I'm in the right lane. At the end. Hang on a minute. It's so weird here. At the end of this episode, which is very, very shortly, I will reveal all. I will show you the third and final gift. Very, very interesting. Stick around. Anyway, you haven't got long to wait because I'm ending the episode right now. I keep saying series. Why? I'm ending the episode right now. So, from me, Lee's Trucking, it has been a blast. Don't forget, stick around right now at the end to see what was my third gift. Over and out for now, guys. Right, so gift number 3. What is it? Gift number 3. Well, that's it. Can you see? It's like a looks like a lump of crystal. Looks like something Superman got in his own. Anyway, it is lovely. It is really, really nice. That will go nice at home somewhere. So natural. So yeah, present number 3, very unexpected. They said it was a very nice piece, and you are very welcome to have it, which I was shocked at, because when I do these jobs I don't expect anything, but to be given something was unbelievably, I'm very grateful for it. So anybody watching that was on that job, thank you very much, and if you're not watching, then you're missing a trick here. What a treat this would have been.